Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name in Zoom Meeting mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone and first of all, I'm going to open up my Zoom Meeting application and we can change our display name before we join a meeting or after we join a meeting. If you want to change your display name before you join a meeting, you can go to your more option and then select the basic setting right here and select the display name. And here you will be able to change your display name before you join a meeting. I'm just going to add this display name. Okay, then we're going to click on save. And I'm going to show you how we can change our display name after we join a meeting. Wait, I'm going to create my meeting. And I'm going to change my display name after I'm in the virtual meeting. I'm gonna go to the participants and then we can click on our name and click on rename, and you can change the display name as you like. Oops, sorry. Okay, as you can see guys that my display name has been changed. And I guess that's all the way to change display name on a Zoom Meeting mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.